As the global population grows, the demand for food increases with it. Meanwhile, rapid urban development is transforming landscapes around the world, replacing valuable agricultural land with residential areas, commercial buildings, and infrastructure.
This raises one important question. How can we continue producing fresh food for future generations when the land available for farming becomes increasingly limited?
One of the innovative solutions is hydroponic farming. Unlike conventional agriculture, hydroponic farming allows plants to grow without soil by using nutrient-rich water in a controlled environment.
Hydroponic farming is a modern agricultural technology that demonstrates the close relationship between science, technology, and society. Unlike traditional farming, hydroponic grow plants without soil by supplying nutrients directly through water. These studies have shown that hydroponic system can use up to 90% less water than conventional agriculture while producing crops faster and in smaller spaces. Society has played an important role in encouraging the adoption of hydroponics. As cities become more crowded and urbanization increases, many people live in apartments, condominiums, where there is limited spaces for traditional gardening. Hydroponic systems allow residents to grow vegetables and herbs indoors or on small balconies without requiring soil. In addition, rapid population growth, urbanization, and concerns about food security encourage the use of hydroponic gardening.
Finally, institutions, companies, and government contribute to the growth of this technology. Universities like UM and research institutes conduct studies to improve the hydroponic method. Agriculture technology companies develop innovative equipment and automated systems. Governments support hydroponic farming through funding, training programs, and policies that promote sustainable agriculture.
Wow, these vegetables look very fresh.
They do, but it's price. The regular salad costs 48, but the hydroponic one costs 48. It's more expensive. Because the hydroponic one is expensive to make. And for maintenance, so the price is usually higher. So if it's sustainable, the food costs more, then everyone will benefit from it. Exactly. So that's one of the main concerns.
Hydroponics also benefits farmers in the long run. Although growing plants in an artificial system requires investment in nutrition solutions, energy, lighting, water pumps, electrical equipment, labor, and maintenance, it offers significant advantages. Hydroponic farming can deliver high yields, predictable harvests, improved resource efficiency, cost savings, and diversified revenue streams.
As the global rapid growth of population, the demand for water and food also increases. Traditional architecture consumes large amounts of water and land, contributing to environmental degradation and climate issues. In contrast, hydroponic farming uses up to 90% less water compared to conventional soil farming, supporting SDG 6, clean water and sanitation through better water conservation and resource management. Hydroponics support SDG 2, zero hunger, by enabling consistent crop production in controlled environments independent of weather or soil quality. In rapidly developing cities, hydroponic farming supports SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities by producing food closer to consumer, reducing transportation needs, and lowering carbon emissions. This fosters greener, more self-sufficient urban communities. Hydroponic also contribute to SDG 30, climate action by minimizing land clearing, soil degradation, and excessive water use common in traditional farming. However, hydroponic system may consume high electricity for lighting and also temperature control, which could pose long-term environmental challenge without proper energy management. Overall, hydroponics showcases how innovation can advance sustainable development by balancing food producing, environmental protection, and responsible resources management for future generations.
Besides its environmental benefits, hydroponic farming also raises some ethical and social concerns. Hydroponic farming is based on important values such as sustainability, food security, and efficient use of resources. However, one major issue is the high cost of setting up and maintaining the system. The equipment, nutrient solution, and electricity required can make hydroponically grown vegetables more expensive. As a result, some lower-income communities may find it difficult to afford these products, raising concern about fairness and equal access to healthy food. To address the issue, several parties have a responsibility to help. The government can provide support or subsidies, while scientists and technology developers can work on creating more affordable and energy-efficient systems. A more sustainable approach would be to use renewable energy, such as solar power, and expand community hydroponic projects so that more people can benefit from this technology.
This video demonstrates that hydroponic is not only agriculture innovation, but also a sustainable solution for the future. By using water efficiently, reducing land dependency, it can help to tackle food security and environmental issues. However, it also raises ethical concerns such as high cost and energy consumption. Therefore, there should be a collaboration between the government, scientists, and society to make hydroponic affordable and accessible for the future generation.